You can combine the main ingredients with Italian techniques for 5 layers of lasagna noodles to stack some of them perfectly, and it is delicious. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Canvas Cookover in this series from Worldwide Canvas News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this recipe with these pasta dishes is homemade lasagna. So the first thing that you want to do is to cook the pasta in the boiling water over high heat and make sure to soak the water before putting in with the pasta. I'm going to start by putting in lasagna noodles, whatever brand name you like. I'm using Ronzoni Lasagna number 80. You're going to need 16 ounces from the box that goes into the boiling water. And we're going to cook this for 10 minutes on high heat, making sure to separate the noodles occasionally so it doesn't stick on the bottom of the pot as I'm cooking. Alright, once the pasta is ready, we're going to drain it in the colander and then give it a rinse with some cold water to cool faster. I'll set this aside while I'm going to make the filling of ricotta. So in a large bowl, we're going to mix in 32 ounce tub of polio original ricotta cheese, half teaspoons of parsley flakes, half teaspoons of basil leaves, a 4 teaspoons of salt and ground black pepper according to taste, and I already slightly beaten 2 jumbo eggs. Hopefully I just already preheat my oven for 350 degrees and I spray a 9x13-inch baking pan with some butter, canola, or vegetable spray. So you can choose whatever type of pasta sauce you want. So I'm going to be using marinara sauce. And I'm also going to be using for this can of premium tomato sauce. And I also got some Parmesan cheese that's been already grated. And if you want, you can have more of that. I'm going to be using mozzarella cheese that's been shredded. This has to be 8 ounces. So while I'm waiting for lasagna noodles to be cooled down, and then I'm going to layer it. Now we're ready to layer and stack it on for lasagna. I'm going to spread the spoonful of tomato sauce into the bottom of the pan. Layer in 3 lasagna noodles, followed by 4 tablespoonfuls of marinara sauce, 1.5 large spoonfuls of ricotta mixture, then sprinkle with some cheeses, and repeat 3 more layers to stack. We are almost done layering. I'm going to finish up for 3 more lasagna noodles on top of the last ricotta mixture, then the rest of the marinara sauce on the noodles, and more cheeses on top. Cover with aluminum foil tightly, and then poke some of the holes on the foil that allows the steam using with a small knife. Next, you're going to bake it for 40 minutes until the cheeses will melt it on top. Just keep an eye on it in the oven. Okay, after it's about 40 minutes, take it out on the oven, put it on the cooling rack, remove the foil from the pan, and then quickly cut it into 12 even bars before serving. And here you go, there's the finished homemade lasagna. I hope you really gotta love it. For more recipes, be sure to let me know in the comments below, then give it a big thumbs up for everybody, and subscribe to Worldwide Canvas News and Entertainment. Enjoy!